ChatGPT, what is epigenetics?
Epigenetics is basically the study of how our genes can be turned on or off by different factors in our environment or our lifestyle without changing the actual DNA sequence. Things like diet, stress, and even sleep can influence how our genes are expressed. It's a really fascinating field.
Yeah, so what makes it so fascinating?
I think what makes epigenetics so fascinating is that it shows how much control we actually have over our own genetic expression. It's kind of empowering to realize that our lifestyle choices can impact our health and even the health of future generations without changing the underlying DNA. It kind of bridges the gap between nature and nurture in a really interesting way.
Yeah, that's very interesting. So, what is the benefit of knowing about genetics? How can this knowledge be beneficial to the average man?
Well, understanding epigenetics can really help people make more informed lifestyle choices. For example, if you know that certain habits like eating healthy, managing stress, and getting enough sleep can positively influence your gene expression, then you're more likely to adopt those habits. It can also be really helpful in understanding and potentially preventing certain diseases that might run in families because you can take steps to reduce your risk even if you have a genetic predisposition. It's pretty empowering knowledge.
When you say beneficial for positive genetic expression, what do you really mean specifically? Like what would make an average man put in the effort to focus on epigenetics so that they can make better choices in their life to take advantage of this knowledge?
Yeah, absolutely. So, when we talk about positive genetic expression, it means that certain lifestyle choices can help turn on genes that promote good health and turn off genes that might contribute to illnesses. For the average person, this can mean having more energy, a stronger immune system, a lower risk of chronic diseases like diabetes or heart disease, and even improved mental health. So, it's really all about making small, everyday choices that can lead to a healthier, longer life.
And you said something about passing this on to the future generations. What do you mean by that?